What happens when your AI's brain fails? Most AI systems crash, but not Yes AI Master Edition. Watch closely. Gemini just hit a critical 429 error. Instead of crashing, the circuit breaker activates instantly. It seamlessly reroutes logic to Llama 3. We built a triple-layer defense grid. Gemini leads, Llama protects, Qwen survives. Zero downtime, 100% reliability. But reliability isn't enough. You also need quality. Look at the glass box brain view. This isn't a black box, it's a transparent war room. Watch the evaluator agent reject bad code and force a rewrite. It self-heals and self-corrects before you ever see the result. And while it works, it counts. Look at the real-time mission metrics. We track every token, calculate every cent of cost, and monitor latency in milliseconds. Complete observability, built in. Now, let's unleash the swarm. One click. We pass the torch from analyst to creator. No copy-pasting, no context loss, just a pure, unbroken, autonomous workflow. And finally, are you ready for the post-quantum era? Sentinel mode doesn't just write code. It generates Kyber 1024 safe keys, auto-patches imports, and brands as your IP. Don't just trust the code, test it. One click launches a live Google Colab sandbox, or simply download the full production-ready package. This isn't a toy, it's enterprise-grade. Yes, AI Master Edition is not a chatbot. It is a multi-agent, multi-brain, self-healing operating system. It thinks, it recovers, it adapts. The future is here.